Hey, it's Gina with WTI. I took up stand-up paddleboarding this summer, and something that's really important for me to have on hand is a personal flotation device. Now, not only is that required by our state and waterways, but also it's just nice to have for peace of mind. I really like this Onyx personal flotation device because unlike other flotation devices that kind of have a tube around your neck and make you feel like you're getting strangled, the flotation part of this vest is in the front and back and more on your chest, so it's not up around your neck. It's very comfortable and there's different straps that you can adjust to accommodate your size. I got an extra small, and I am 5'4", 135 pounds, and this fits me really well. Something else that's required by our state is that we have a whistle on hand when we're paddleboarding, and I love that this vest came with one, so I didn't have to worry about picking one up on my own. Thankfully, I haven't had to put this to the test when it comes to being in an emergency situation, but I have just floated with it, and it works really well, just the way it's supposed to. Don't leave your safety to chance. Pick up one of these Onyx personal flotation devices so that you can have peace of mind and be totally safe out on the water, and that's my point of view.